Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that can make calls, follow up with leads, and also close deals, all on autopilot. That's exactly what Callfluent's AI promises, and does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. When you get access to Callfluent's AI, you can create your own workspace. Here we have a demo workspace, but if you want to create your workspace, you can simply create your workspace. We're using a demo workspace because you also have to attach your Twilio account, which I don't have access to right now. But when you have that set up, you can create inbound agents or outbound agents. Inbound agents are the agents that would call you, while outbound agents are the agents that you can call and receive information from. We can choose to create a new agent, or we can use the agents that are already here. When you create a new agent, you can create outbound or inbound as mentioned previously, or you can create them also from templates. So when you choose which one you want to create, then you can choose your template, or you can click a blank agent from scratch. When you're creating a blank agent, you can create an agent that completely fits all your needs. In other words, you can create an agent that is more or less like you, that would answer like you, that would speak similar to you, and more, and so on. So let's create an agent from a template like for Black Friday specials that will be an outbound agent. So these are agents that call a number that you give it. So here you can put your agent avatar, you can choose the time zone that your agent would be in, you can choose the specific name that your agent would have, a language, the voice that you'd want. You can see there are so many voices, but let's pick just one of them. You can choose the phone number that you want the agent to use. You can pick a quick welcome message. You can include if you want the calls to be recorded. You can add voicemail detection. You can include voicemail detection. You can do so much. You can include context match tokens, the creativity of the answers. You can check if you want your speech to have sensitivity, how sensitive you want the agent to be. You can choose the length of your answers and how the silence should be. But when you're satisfied with that, you can click on next. Then you can take a look at the instructions that you're giving your agent. You should take note that these instructions should be as detailed as possible. The more detailed you be, the better it is. So you can see that this has a lot of information, and if you want, you can browse even more templates of instructions that are made available to you by Callfluent. You can see the agent type, the tone, the goal, the background, and all of this. When you're satisfied, you can submit. And you can see the agent has been created successfully. You can see it here. Let's take a look at one of the inbound agents, and we can see this is an inbound agent called Clara. And from here, we can see the call history. We can configure it. That is taking all the information that is already here, similar to what we've done. You can see the knowledge base that this Callfluent agent has. So this knowledge base gives it a lot of information, and it can answer you based on how you ask it. You can see the behavior, where you can take a look at the agent's behavior, similar to actions that we've made. You can see your actions. These are specific actions that you want the agent to perform during the call. So if you want any specific action, you can include it here. You can take a look at your API or forms. This is where you can embed code for your API, from your API to your agent. You can also reach out to support. Let's call Clara and see.
Hello. Thank you for calling Rock's Beauty and Spa. This is Clara. How can I help you today?
Good day, Clara. How are you doing? I would like some information about your beauty products.
I'd be happy to help with that. Are you looking for information on specific products or perhaps our services in general?
Can you tell me a bit about your product in general?
It seems the message cut off. Could you please continue with your question or let me know what specific information you need? Each service uses high-quality products tailored to your needs. Would you like to know more about a specific service?
Just give me a quick summary about everything you do.
Sure, we offer a variety of beauty. Absolutely, we provide facials, massages, manicures, pedicures, waxing, and more. We aim to enhance your beauty and relaxation experience. Would you like to schedule an appointment?
No, that's fine. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Goodbye.
So as you can see, Callfluent has a lot of powerful tools for you to use as a marketer, as a customer support representative. You can create conversations with different people. You can have different types of conversations that are specific to your users. If you have any question or need any clarification, you can definitely ask, and I would love to answer you. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.